We're changing a 2014 4th gen rear shocks. For those of you who don't have done it before, it's a bitch. It's stupid the way it's put in. Here it goes. The problem is this bolt here, the nut in the back, it goes under the frame. There's no way in you're gonna get this in there. There's some other idiot on YouTube told you to use this and then put it in like this and it goes in from behind. Shit ain't gonna work. Best way to do it, where's that wrench I had? Right here. Get yourself a nice 13/16 wrench. Cut the in two. Put it up here. Put it in from behind. Let it sit just like that. And crank away. You have no space. You can't fit a wrench back there. You can't fit a socket. I'll try to get a video from the other side. This is the only way it's going to work. Don't waste your time buying shit. Get an old wrench, cut it in half. It's the way it looks. Who the hell would make a car where you can't get a wrench in? You can't get it in. Cut the wrench in half. Save yourself some time. We're doing the other side. 2014 Ram, 4th gen. So cut the wrench, put it in. It's going to sit right on that little lip right there. And I'm going to impact that wrench out. All right? I'm going to get my assistant to hold the camera. Agarra la vaina, chucha madre.
Where did it play? Where's it going?
Ya está jugando. And it comes out. And it comes out. Just like that. Que YouTube, que YouTube. Ras!